Hello everyone, my name is Manan Gadia and I am a student of English 107. For this project, I have watched and learned from the TED Talk of Mystical Belidos, and within the starting of this video, I found the gap and based my research question on Mystical Belidos talk. I have always loved watching the videos that explores the mystery of outer space and the possibilities of extraterrestrial life on the other planets. My curiosity led me to dive in the fantastic topic, and one day I stumbled upon a TED talk by Sir Augusto Calbelido titled There May Be Extraterrestrial Life in Our Solar System. The title alone sparked excitement and deepened my eagerness to know more. From a young age, I remember sitting on the terrace and gazing the stars and wondered if there could be the life outer the beyond our world. Are we truly unique or could be other forms of life that are even more remarkable? This sense of wonder played a huge role in my decision to pursue a science focused education where I could delve into the question about life beyond Earth. When we talk about life, we often consider the chemical elements essential to it, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, carbon, oxygen elements that also make up the building blocks of DNA. Scientists searching for the alien life often begin by examining the process and balancing of these elements on the other planets, as it provides a hint about the potential of life. The research is challenging and complex, especially if the intelligent life forms are adept and hiding from the detection. However, by gazing the element composition of the different worlds, we get a little closer to answer one of the humanity's biggest questions. Bioastrologists are searching for the extraterrestrial life on the other planets using the method we developed. But could the extraterrestrial life species evolve in the ways that are entirely different from us, as portrayed in Marvel movies? And this is my research question. Let's start with a question. Does the extraterrestrial life exist? Many planets have been found in the habitable zones, most commonly referred to as Goldilocks zones, which is characterized by just right conditions for the liquid water, as well as the presence of oxygen and nitrogen. However, there are many often factors that affect the potential of life on the other planets that we often overlook, such as magnetic field, geological activities, and appropriate amount of gravity. There are regions around the stars where the water can exist in the liquid form, and even if they are not in the Goldilocks zone, due to the influence of the other stars, they can evolve. Other planets like Earth is situated in the Goldilocks zone, which allows it to maintain a warmer temperature than the other planets like Jupiter and Saturn. Now, let's start with our question. There are many habitable zones, which are commonly referred to as Goldilocks zones, which is characterized by the just right conditions for the liquid water to exist, as well as the presence of oxygen and nitrogen. We know that the elements that make up life on the earth are common throughout the universe, and studies suggest that out of 10 planets, 9 contain these elements in excess amount. This implies that the possibilities of the extraterrestrial life are significant. However, there are many other factors that affect the potentials for the life on the other planets that we often overlook, such as magnetic fields, geological activities, and the appropriate amount of gravity. There are regions around the stars where the water can exist in the liquid form, even if they are not in the Goldilocks zone due to the influence of the other stars. The exact temperature on the planet depend on the various factors including atmospheric composition, pressure, geological activities, and many more. While the Fermi paradox highlights the high probability of the extraterrestrial life, it does not provide the proof of its existence. Instead, it underscores the need for the further space exploration and the consideration of the various hypotheses regarding life in the universe to better understand this paradox. The journey of the starlight begins with the emission of the light from the stars, which consists of the various wavelength, amplitudes, and the frequency. When this light enters the planet's atmosphere, it begins to scatter, and due to the thick layer of ozone and the atmosphere itself, this scattering is responsible for the blue appearance of our sky. Different gases, particles, and the aerosol present in the atmosphere interact with the incoming light, resulting in the elimination of the harmful UV radiation, while allowing visible light to penetrate. Rocky planets do have atmosphere, but their characteristics and stability depend on the factors such as gravity, temperature, and the distance from the sun. We often look for the earthy like signs on the other planets as it provides the crucial information understanding the conditions necessary for the life, identifying the habitable environments, detecting biomarkers, and expanding our knowledge of a planetary system. Then arises to the question, how does the purple bacteria affect the life in the other planets? Basically, the purple bacteria is responsible for the photosynthesis, carbon fixation, and many other relationships which provides better atmosphere in one planet. And understanding the purple bacteria helps in providing the complexity and the interconnectivity of life on Earth. Reddish looking stars are often classified as red dwarfs or giants, as these are abundant in the entire universe, and understanding these stars would provide crucial insights into the dynamics of galaxies and the life cycles of stars. SETI, a mission dedicated to the research on extraterrestrial life, was launched in the early 1960s by the Frank Drake to engage researchers and the public in the quest to uncover whether we are alone in the universe. By utilizing advanced technologies, various technologies, and such collaborative efforts, SETI aims to answer one of the most profound questions: are we alone in the universe? Although it has not provided much proof about the existence of the extraterrestrial life, the search continues. While there is indirect evidence and ongoing exploration suggest that there may be life on the other planets, definitive evidence has not yet been provided. Microchips are essential tools for determining chemical components using the varieties of advanced method and technologies. This system comes equipped with different types of sensors such as chemical sensors, UV sensors, electrochemical sensors, which help identifying a wide range of chemical substances that satellites and telescope may not be able to detect. Additionally, MEMS and microchips utilizes techniques like chromatography and mass spectrometry, allowing for a detailed analysis and a better understanding of a chemical component present in that planet. And and lastly, to conclude, I would like to emphasize that the search for the extraterrestrial life would be significantly more manageable if we first analyze the chemical component present in one planet like Mars and the others in the solar system. By understanding the elemental markup and the environmental conditions of this planet, we can identify the similar conditions on the other celestial bodies that may also harbor the potential for the life. The preliminary analysis could provide the valuable insights into the types of environments where life could exist, guiding future exploration efforts. For instance, if we discover that the Mars has specific research for atmospheric conditions that are inductive to the life, we can prioritize the search for the similar conditions on the exoplanets or moons within our solar system. By employing advanced technologies and throughout the scientific analysis, we can refine our search for extraterrestrial life and enhance our understanding of the universe's complexity. And and credit goes to my group mates Enzo, Gustavo, and Nurdar, which have lot helped me in this project and developing me the slides. And lastly, I have the MLA work cited for my creations of this presentation and the images which I've used in it. So thank you.